Fish. Fish. Big fish. Big fish. Someone's just given me a fish. They've just caught on some areas. Look, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to cook a brown trout. It's a river brown trout, because you can see this light green on the top there. But let's look, I've even got my knife and sharpener out, ready to show you in the caravan today, in the caravan, how you cook and prepare a lovely brown trout. Mick, Nick, have a look. This is the gutting process. Froze from back fin. You see that nice little back fin there? What we're going to do, we're going to make an incision. Is my knife sharp enough? We're going to take... No, it's not. Well, we've got to come back to that then. See this lovely, lovely? Find a little knife. Make an incision all the way up to his little, poor little head there. All the way to his bottom section there. The back fin. Make an incision. And what we're going to do now is we're going to try and move that and show you. And that's what we have to do. We have to take all these innards out. Yeah, all these innards. You've got to get out with your knife. So we'll do it in there, like that. Take it, all this bad shit. Even the blood cells. Everything underneath. You can see that. There we go. Lovely, lovely. And what I've got to show you inside is you'll find a red bloodline. And that basically has to come out as well. So we open them up. We should have taken them a bit further back. A bit further back. A bit further back. And you'll see this red here? This here. That's a bloodline. And what we've got to do is we've got to take that out. All at the back, on the backbone. Okay? So join me in a minute and I'll take all that bone out towards the backbone. There we go, there we go. So we're taking out... You see, oh sorry, camera, I'm not very good at this camera work. My director and sound engineer is not here today. What I've done is I've taken also a bit of the spine out. You'll see it through there. You see, I'm going to get the camera dirty. There, you see, and there's the spine. That's the spine. I prefer to take that out because I don't like to take too many bones out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a little sort of V up there, just under the fin. Cut it just down there, cut it down there. Preferably you should keep the head on while you're cooking, gives it more flavour. But I don't, because I'm pan frying this in my big pan there with butter, some butter and some herbs, and eat it as it is. It's fresh, it was caught an hour ago, best time to eat it. You can also cut it around here as well, just here, but I'll probably leave a lot of that on and I can pick at it and have it with a nice Nicoy salad. Let's get this head away. Now we need to give it a nice washing caravan. Got to hang my socks up, get the laptop out, got to do some writing, give it a good wash, yeah. The close on shot. Lovely.